Hi, I'm totally unprepared for this demo, so I'm just going to go through my usual well-rehearsed script, but I will tell you, we've tailored this demo just for your specific use case. Now get ready for a 25-minute monologue where I will be talking non-stop for 25 minutes. I will pause in between and check if you have any questions, and if you do, my answer will always be, great question, let me check with the team and get back to you. Now I will start sharing my screen and click every button I see. If something doesn't work, I'll just say, it must be the internet. Or this doesn't normally happen. Occasionally I may say words like innovative, game-changing, or industry first, but they don't mean anything. We're industry last if I'm really being honest. Now that is a good question and something that I've been asking my product team as well. So I'll just tell you what they tell me. It's on the roadmap. That's a pricing question and that means intent to buy. I really don't care since I don't make commissions from the sale. So I'm just going to say, I'm probably not the best person to answer that question. Now I'm looking at my calendar and I have another demo right after this. So I'm going to say, I've made a note of all your questions. I'll get back to you over email. I haven't made any note. This pen doesn't work. I don't even have a pen. There is really no use asking questions now. I stop paying attention the moment I stop sharing my screen. I'm already thinking about my next demo.